Hey guys, and welcome back to our Kinder Surprise fully sick unboxing video challenge. Today we'll be unboxing this Kinder Surprise egg. Now, here we go. Here we go. Oh yeah. Okay, so this is a quality egg right here. Now let's see what's inside. Right. Oh! Whoa! Dude, look at this. Holy sick! Oh my god!
Is that a Beyblade?
It's fucking Beyblade, dude. Dude, it even comes with the instructions. Dude.
Instructions. That's... This Beyblade is going to be the best thing in our lives.
But wait. There's more. Another Kinder Surprise egg. Whoa! 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 So, anyway. See, this one's special because it says surprise. Now, let's open this up.
They all say surprise, but don't ruin his dreams.
Right, guys. So, we're gonna open this one. Now, so we're just gonna lay the Kinder Surprise in the wrap. It should hatch open at any second. Just get it close up with this. Anyway, we got. Let's see what's inside. Dude, it's an owl. Dude, look. It's an owl with like a cape. I think.
What is that? How does it fit on him?
Oh, dude, no, it's
like a diaper. It's a baby owl.
Dude, no, it's underpants, man. Dude,
So a Cabbage Patch owl.
holy sick. So we're just gonna put it with the collection. And ooh, what's this? Another Kinder Surprise egg? Wow, guys, this is a sick challenge. Okay, so we're gonna be unboxing this one in a special way. So just focus on where the other one was, where the little baby hatched from. I guess we lost. Well, sorry guys, but I guess we lost the Kinder Surprise. That's real unfortunate. Well, I guess this wraps up the fully sick Kinder Surprise opening challenge. Hope you guys will have a good one, and like and subscribe, and yeah, remember to smash the like. Don't lightly tap. Smash it like you smashed the egg. Yeah. So like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. I think we might have hit someone.
This video was sponsored by Kinder Surprise eggs. It really was. Yep, 100%.